Today we're diving into a really fascinating experiment, one that goes way beyond just asking an AI to, write an email or create a picture. We're going to see what happens when you ask it to build an entire company from scratch.
So that brings us to the big question, right? We know AI is great at handling specific tasks, a bit of code here, an email there. But can it really take on the whole complex journey of starting a business, from that first spark of an idea all the way to launch, all from just one instruction?
The starting point for this whole experiment sounds almost too simple, just one prompt. No coding, no complex inputs. So let's get right into what happened next.
All right, let's dive into the experiment. And I want to be super clear here. We're not talking about an AI just generating some hypothetical business plan that sits in a Word doc. We're talking about a platform that actually executes on that plan, taking it from a completely blank canvas to a real, functioning business foundation.
Here's the roadmap the AI followed, and as you can see, it looks a lot like the exact journey a human founder would take. It kicks off with generating an idea, then it validates that idea, builds the product, creates all the marketing, and finally, it maps out the entire customer strategy. We're going to walk through every single one of these steps.
So let's start at the beginning. Idea and validation. This is where the AI is digging through massive amounts of market data, looking for a real, underserved opportunity. This isn't just a creative guess, it's hunting for a data-proven gap in the market.
And check this out. Look at how specific the AI got. It didn't just come up with some generic idea, it identified a super precise need, a compliance tracking tool for small US accounting firms. And that's a market with over 130,000 potential customers. It figured out their main problem, this growing regulatory burden, and saw that all the existing tools were just way too expensive and complicated.
The data pointed to a huge problem. The tools out there right now are all built for these giant enterprise companies, and they have the price tag to match. We're talking $200 to $500 a month. For a small firm, that's a massive barrier.
So, based on that data, the AI proposed a much more accessible price point, just $49 to $99 a month. And that's not just some random number. It's a strategic move. It's designed to completely undercut the competition while still building a profitable business. You can literally see the market cap right there in the numbers.
So before a single thing was built, the AI had already validated the entire idea. It checked all the boxes. The market's big enough, competition is low, the customer's pain is severe, and, this is crucial, they're actually willing to pay for a solution. With a final verdict validated, it was time to start the build. Okay, now we move into the next phase, which is really where the magic happens. The idea is validated, so the AI gets to work turning that concept into a tangible product, complete with a full go-to-market strategy.
And here's what it built. Get this. In about 90 minutes, the AI generated a functional software application with all the core features these accounting firms were asking for. A compliance dashboard, secure storage, real-time alerts, the whole shebang. And it did all of this without a human writing a single line of code.
But the AI didn't stop with just the product. It also created the marketing, starting with this incredibly powerful headline for the landing page. Notice how it speaks directly to that pain point it found during validation. It's not just describing features, it's offering a solution that really connects with the customer.
And finally, it answered the million-dollar question. How do you actually find your customers? The AI laid out this super clear 5-channel acquisition map. It identified the exact places, both online and offline, where the owners of these small accounting firms hang out. This is a real, actionable strategy.
The speed of all of this is, frankly, unbelievable. But now, we need to talk about the reality of it. What can the AI truly do, and where does that human element become absolutely essential? This is the honest truth of the experiment. First, just take in this timeline for a second. The entire foundation for a company, from the idea to a working product with a full marketing and acquisition strategy, was built in less than 48 hours, for a cost of pretty much zero. Just think about that. A few years ago, this would have taken months and cost tens of thousands of dollars.
So, the crucial takeaway here is this. It's a partnership. The AI is this phenomenal engine for generating ideas, validating them with data, and building the initial product and strategy. But the human, that's you, is still responsible for the final judgment, for the execution and sales, for building those customer relationships, and for having the persistence to see it all through.
That brings us right to our final section. Now that you've seen what's possible, let's talk about how you can actually explore this for yourself.
And this is really what it all boils down to. We've seen that AI can deliver a powerful, market-ready foundation faster and cheaper than ever before in history. But a foundation is just the start. The real question is, are you ready to be the human partner who takes that foundation and actually builds the rest of the business?
If you're inspired by this and you want to learn more, there are resources available to see the platform in action. You can watch a complete guide, you can attend a free live workshop, or you can even start a free trial and test it out with one of your own ideas.